What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, we are still doing our crypto coin display giveaway. As you guys can see right here, it is a $130 crypto coin ticker display that we're giving away every Sunday. So definitely make sure to comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed, as I will be checking. And if you're not subscribed, you will not win one. Drawing will be tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's video is actually, I'm getting fairly excited. A lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to pick up the speed a little bit and pick up the pace. Honestly, Solana was the one that really just reversed out of the trenches after this major reversal that it had and actually hit off bottom support here and is starting to rally up higher, which is definitely an exciting view. This definitely gives me the confidence that is needed in regards to the other cryptocurrencies to hopefully follow suit. We're actually starting to see it as of today, see small peaks of prices in cryptocurrency break through some strong resistances. Bitcoin, for example, slightly breaking through here. We have Ethereum slightly holding on to support and heading up higher. And then we have XRP, which is still consolidating, but actually bouncing off its bottom support here, which is still a good sign. So I'm definitely getting excited. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. All right, so as you guys know, top 10 cryptocurrencies, let's get a quick refresh. You can see markets up, still very close to 2.2 trillion. We're up about 2.5%. Top 10 cryptos, you can see it's on average about 2%, I'd say, across the board here. But we do have Solana that's up about 14% overall for the day, which is actually incredible to see this coin reversing out of the slumps here. Now, what's interesting is we'll focus on Solana, then we'll jump into XRP. But you can see here that we've been in a steady downtrend for quite some time now on Solana. It's been quite difficult to actually map out or draw where supports and resistances are, but I'm actually starting to see some sort of an uptrend that we can actually map out on this coin, which definitely is an exciting feature here. You can see right now that there is some sort of uptrend that the coin seems to be using in regards to finding a bottom support and reversing out of here. You can see we also have a bottom price floor drawn on right here where we had some issues in the past breaking through it, but we finally did. So that's now acting as a support level. You saw an immediate reversal on the wick yesterday, all the way back up to close above this support level here. And now that we have this uptrend drawn on, it actually is a really good sign that we might continue to move upwards here using this uptrend here to continue to leverage the coin and swing to the upside. So why is this important? How does this affect these other cryptocurrencies? So when you consider that Solana is actually one of the coins that's starting to reverse up here, and it is within the top 10 cryptos, coins above there, you would think and figure that would also be slightly influenced in regards to volume coming back in. So you can see for the most part, all these cryptos are slightly up about 1 to 2%, but XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the coins we're really focusing on. So with XRP, I mean, I know this is going to sound very repetitive, and I understand that, but you guys really have to understand something. Cryptocurrency as a whole is really a volatile sport in itself, and we have to understand that when we see consolidation like this, it is literally a taboo to see that. Now, I understand maybe in the stock market we might see consolidation. I mean, this would take days of consolidation. Let's just go back in history a little bit. You can see how for the most part we can see consolidation overall for some points in the market here. I mean, this is a terrible representation, but you guys pretty much understand what I'm saying, that XRP, because there's no days off, because it's open on holidays and everything like that, there's really no time to rest. And when you see some sort of consolidation movement like this, it's usually a representation that big volume is coming. This is usually building up steam and building up support to eventually pop that bubble and break to either direction, obviously a bullish break to the upside or to the downside. So we're definitely getting close, and I think it might be in the next day or two that we could potentially see the reversal that we're looking for here. Now, we've been using the support, and the longer we steady trade on the support, the more worried I get in regards to breaking bearish and breaking below here. There still is a big possibility of a B to C formation here, which long term is totally fine. Long term, we are in a very bullish outlook for XRP in regards to it retesting its prior high in 2020 or 2021, which is closer to about $2 there. And you can see the Elliott wave completing itself here, but we're really looking for the possibilities of breaking out earlier than expected and breaking through our $1.30 resistance level, which I think in the next couple of days we might actually be able to see being retested. I mean, there's a few things to consider. Yes, we are trading at 50 on the RSI. Yes, we can still potentially see reversals. That's still a possibility, but it also gives us the opportunity to pump even higher and easily retest $1.30 within the next couple of days, easy. We're also slightly undervalued on the MACD, which is also a signal of potential reversal in that sense as well. But regardless, we are trading sideways in some sort of channel here, which has a very strong support level that we've used numerous times as a reversal point as well as a top resistance. And you can see trading above here, we usually tend to reverse off of that. So I am anticipating a reversal back up, which would yield a fairly nice percentage gain. You can see if I just draw it out for you guys. Let me just find it real quick. Where is it? Right here, I believe. No, right here, perfect. The price range in regards to percentage reversal would be about a 20 to 35% jump, breaking through that top resistance of $1.30. So I'm honestly anticipating a 25 to 30% reversal, or swinging the price back up, breakout to the upside here, which would obviously help us close above $1.30. Now, why do I feel like we're going to be swinging more bullish than bearish right now? Obviously, there's still that slight percentage chance that we could be breaking bearish, but when you zoom in on other crypto, when you look in closer here, you could see we're even undervalued on the relative, or on the RSI here as well. We're trading 50 on the RSI on the 4-hour charts, but we're also trading undervalued. We're trading below the high and low moving averages, the middle moving averages right here, and you can see for the most part that we've been consolidating consistently here, kind of getting intertwined here, and we're really just waiting for a pop to break us above that 4-hour moving average to ultimately help us swing back up to $1.30. So that's pretty much where I'm sitting here now. I'm not going to buy into XRP until I get that confirmation. Ultimately, if we break through the bottom support at $1 or $1.05, then I'll buy in to short it. But I'm not going to be buying in while we're trading inside here. It's just ultimately too risky. I mean, there still is a more moderate to aggressive trade from $1.05 all the way up to $1.30, which you could do if the 4-hour charts get broken. So if we're able to break above this 4-hour moving average, like $1.13, and we close above that on the 4-hour, then we might be able to get the volume we need to swing back up to $1.30. But we did see that bearish cross here, which is why we've been fairly stagnant for quite some time on the charts. But we've been trading bearish before. I mean, just consider it right over here. Back at point A, when we were retesting this bottom support here, we were bearish. The green band was trading under the red, and eventually we were able to retest that and immediately swing the price over it and start trading fairly bullish. So if we get back up to retest the top of the 4-hour moving averages here, there's a good chance it will flip bullish as well, and we'll be able to rally back up to $1.30 that's necessary, and then we'll obviously buy in the second we see confirmation of a break above here. Now, I'm looking at these other cryptos to pretty much influence, hopefully, XRP to swing higher as well. Looking at Ethereum right now, for example, we can check out the 4-hour. You can see the 4-hour, it's actually being able, and you can see this is a very similar pattern to what we're expecting. We're hoping to see the price of Ethereum retest its moving average here on the 4-hour and break above here, as you're starting to see. Not only has it cleared its bottom support using that as a means of support, but it's now above its 4-hour moving average, which is what we're looking for in XRP to help the price slowly but surely move higher. Now, it's hard to, draw some sort of uptrend here for Ethereum, but we are looking for one. I mean, you can see there's a slight possibility, maybe something like this. It's very slight. I mean, you can see it like here. I'm going to get rid of this uptrend here and use the one I currently have drawn. There's maybe some sort of sideways channel here. We can even draw maybe some tops to this resistance, but regardless, it is an ascending fractal here, and it is allowing the prices to slowly float higher. So we are looking for a bounce that we're starting to see off this bottom support here and allow ourselves to get some volume back in and swing higher. We still are undervalued on the MACD. We're trading at 50 on the RSI. Anything can happen. We can clearly break down, but Ethereum is looking more bullish than bearish in regards to potential price movement, and hopefully all these cryptos will influence XRP to follow suit, allowing it to finally retest $1.30 once again and break through like we did before. Now, I do believe that you can see here we have retested this bottom support numerous times. This should hopefully allow us to once again break bullish and swing back up to $1.30. And it's not just Ethereum. Look at Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin, if you can see here, has actually retested its bottom support, very similar to XRP in regards to retesting it and reversing back out of here. Now you can see the consolidation, and then we're looking for that breakout on XRP. But for Bitcoin, we had the consolidation, we retested bottom support, and we immediately reversed out of here, heading back up to retest $50,000. Now, a good thing is we have been using this downtrend as a means of resistance for quite some time now, but the longer we float at like 47K, the longer we float at 48K, the bigger the chance we have of regaining some momentum again and consolidating back up to 50K. So I do believe, by the end of maybe next week, we should be able to retest 50K. You can also see the downtrend here in this B2C formation. By now, we would probably have expected to see B2C already, arise. I mean, B2C should have happened already. We could clearly get rejected off 48K and immediately, dump back down to C, which is still a possibility. It's definitely a weaker chance than what we've had in the past here, but we're looking right now for the potential rally back up to 50K, breaking through it and closing the daily above there so we can buy in and leverage to the upside, which would easily retest all-time highs. And that's really what I'm anticipating. So the possibility and the potential of seeing B2C happen would be as if we close below 44K. That's when we'll buy in for a short and short this down to point C. We'll do that on Bityard. Very, very, very easy to do. Literally, you would just click on Bitcoin. You would then go into what I like to do is a market order, which would be right here, and then just typing in the amount you want to leverage, let's say 1,000, and then clicking sell short. And we'd capitalize off the prices right here, breaking through all of these moving averages. Right now we're consolidating, and hopefully we can break through that and swing back to the upside. So we're looking for the consolidation. We're slowly starting to regain some support and actually start trading above the downtrend here. If we can close above there, then I can easily see us retesting 50K and eventually breaking through that. So getting very excited. A lot of things are looking more optimistic towards breaking out than actually reversing downwards. And Solana is definitely a big help with that, with this uptrend right here, clearly hitting supports, allowing the prices to hopefully take off and start to gain some volume and swing back to the upside. You can see the S&P 500 to wrap things up for today. Doesn't necessarily look too good. We've been pretty much consolidating on this stair-stepping pattern once again. Let me just bring us to there. Once again, retesting that bottom support. We won't know until Monday how exactly we clear it. But I'm hoping that this consolidation, which is clearly setting us lower and lower and lower on the RSI, consolidates out and then hopefully starts to reverse back up and create a new all-time high, which is what I'm anticipating for the S&P 500. I mean, we are very close to retesting this moving average. The moving average is catching back up, which is a good sign. To its point, this will give us some sort of support level to eventually pump even higher. So even if we corrected all the way back down to like 43, 44, it'd be a great buying opportunity, expecting to see another rally that would set us into all-time highs. So it'd be a good data, dollar cost average. Otherwise, guys, it's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, join the giveaway by commenting down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.